Hello, everyone, and welcome. We are pleased to introduce to you our new project, ALIF, for learning Arabic. ALIF is the name of the first letter of the Arabic alphabet, and here it also stands for Arabic Learning is Fun. It is basically a web application and soon also a mobile application to help teach different aspects of Arabic language in a gamified way. Let's have a look into it. It is still in the development stage, so your feedback is highly appreciated. So one of the goals of ALIF is to help you build good learning habits like consistent practice, tracking your performance and knowledge, and also your strong and weak points. So you'll find here that it will keep track of your streak, how many days do you play in a row, how many minutes you play, and how many minutes did you play today. And also shows some indication of your progress and your accuracy. Also, it is important to know that Arabic is not just like one thing to learn, there are different varieties. So you can change the type of Arabic you're learning. For example, here you can be learning modern standard Arabic, but you can change it. You can, for example, learn Egyptian Arabic. And you know that modern standard Arabic is the more formal language and it's mostly written, but each country has its own dialect. So they have Egyptian Arabic, Syrian Arabic, and Morocco Arabic, and it varies from country to country. So it's important to have a good combination of both modern standard Arabic and one of the dialects, so that you'll be able to handle different situations that require learning Arabic. So when you click Start, you can see the different sections or aspects of language learning that you can do. For starting, we will have sections for reading to learn how to read the Arabic script, and including also the alphabet and the diacritics and all of this. And then there is a section for vocabulary, and section for verbs, and section for grammar, and further sections or topics coming soon. The idea is that if you are just starting to learn Arabic, it's a good idea to start with reading, because it's like a very interesting skill where you can just when you see any Arabic writing, you look into it and recognize the letters and be able to at least sound out the word. Then there is the vocabulary, which is no matter what your level is in the language, you'll always want to learn more words. So this is also giving you the opportunity to keep learning into different areas, the words that are used into it. And then for verbs, which can help you actually communicate by saying things like go, ask, teach, learn, think, remember, forget, buy, sell, and things like this. Because it's not just like some vocabulary words to learn, but also you need to learn things like tenses and conjugation and other things. And then in order to build actual sentences, you need to have different aspects of grammar. So for one thing, you need to know the different grammar words, like pronouns and prepositions and things like this, and how to use them together and how to use them with other vocabulary words. So all of these together, all of the different aspects or different areas, they can always help you learn more about Arabic and improve your fluency and all your skills. Let's see how it looks like when you play it. For example, when you look into vocabulary, it gives you different lessons or different topics where you can actually learn the vocabulary of each. For example, you can take some the vocabulary of certain nouns. So when you click on the nouns, it will take you to the quiz, because all the learning here is done through quizzes. So the quiz will tell you it is about nouns. It's showing you when you start the words or the items that will come into the quiz. So you might want to have a look at it before you start, and when you are ready, you can press start and it will show you the quiz. So the quiz, for example, here will ask you to respond to a certain question. So the question here is to ask you about the word good. What is the equivalent of it in Arabic? So it is جيد. So you go j, j,
J,
Y,
E,
and del.
D.
جيد. So it's correct. And every time you play it and you get something correct, you get a coin, and you will see how it reflects in your accuracy. If you make a mistake, however, you will see that the accuracy decreases. When you look into the quiz, you'll find there are different things. Of course, there is the question, and there are the options, and then the accuracy, and also the timer, which you can set to whatever time. You can make the quiz for 1 minute, 2 minutes, up to 5 minutes, and then the progress tracking, and how many coins do you have. And also, this is also an interesting part where if you get stuck for a certain question, you can use hints. So, for example, I don't know this word here, هنا. So when I click on it, it shows me the hint that it means here. And then they have this word جزر. If I don't know what is the equivalent or what is the first thing to select, I can also press on hints, and it will show me the part. After it is done, you will see some overview evaluation of your performance in the quiz, and it will also show you the errors that you've made. And at some point, we'll also include, you can also send your results to yourself to keep tracking of what you have done at each quiz. And then you can go back to the main menu, where you can find other things like the progress. So this will show you the overall accuracy, how many questions have you answered correctly, and out of all the questions you attempted, and your overall accuracy. And soon you'll have detailed accuracy for each of the aspects that we have in the game. And then you can look into the shop, where you can actually use the coins that you have collected to get more hints. So here you can get 20 hints for 100 coins. Click OK, and now it gives you more hints, and so on. And of course, you can have the settings where you can change the quiz time. Instead of 1 minute, you can make it up to like 3 minutes or something. And you can have the daily streak. You can also change it 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And of course, you can choose if you want to hear the sound or how the word or the letter is pronounced after each answer, so you can select or unselect this. And if you like, you can change the light mode to dark mode, and there might be other options as we go. And then you update the settings, and that's it. So in general, this is a new tool to help learning Arabic. It's still in progress, so we're really counting on you to help us improve it, while we're also making it more useful for you to learn Arabic in a more fun way. Thank you.